Welcome to Psychosis, lesson number 1, Intro to Hacking. Now, we're basically going to use Netcat, which is a featured networking utility which reads and writes data across network connections using the TCP/IP protocol. It is basically designed for a back-end tool that can be used directly or easily driven by other programs and scripts. You can scan for IPs, find out what ports are open, or you can basically create a backdoor which lets you in a computer. Now, I do strongly advise that breaking into someone else's computer is illegal. You can be sentenced to jail. So I'm basically going to test this on my computer. So let's get right to it. Open up Internet Explorer and just go ahead and go to google.com, and we're going to search for Netcat. That's N-E-T-C-A-T. Go ahead and search. We're going to go to the second one, which is by vulnwatch.org. Go ahead and open that, and as you can see, Netcat is detected by Symantec. So go ahead and disable your antivirus, McAfee, Symantec, whichever you use. Go to scroll down a bit, and where you see Netcat 1.11, this is the Windows right here. Go ahead and click on that and save it on your desktop for now. Okay. Now let's go ahead and go to my computer. Go to your C drive and create a new folder. We'll just call it NC for now. NC. Perfect. Go ahead and go to my desktop and just go ahead and cut the Netcat. Just paste it in the new folder called NC. Now at this point you need to extract it. I use AllZip. You can use PowerISO. Even the default Windows works just fine. Extract it to your folder. And as you can see, here is the Netcat. Now we don't want to double click on it right here. What we're going to use is the DOS lines. So go ahead and click on Start. Click on Run. Type CMD. Now let's go ahead and go CD ... all the way to you get to your C drive. Go ahead and go to CD space NC. This is basically right here. CD NC, but we're using the DOS. Okay, so here on we're going to go ahead and this is going to be used as a listening port. So type NC space -L -P. Listen on port 7777, 4 sevens, and -E. Execute the cmd.exe. Click, just hit the enter button, and as you can see, nothing's happening. It's basically listening. Go ahead and open another one up by clicking Start, Run, CMD. Okay. Go ahead and scroll down to your Netcat folder, space NC. Go ahead and type. You can type dir. This is basically what you have in your. Here is the Netcat right here. Now, on this one is going to be used to go ahead and open that backdoor we've just created on the computer. So we're going to type NC space. We're going to go ahead and put the IP network address, and this is going to open. We're going to go ahead and penetrate the same port we've created over here. On this one, hit enter, and as you can see, I have now penetrated the network system by using Netcat. Now, I am basically using the same computer, so even if I type dir directory here, dir, I'm going to see the same thing as I would have regardless, because this is my computer. Now you could do this for another computer. I'm going to go ahead and end the lesson here. Lesson number 2, I will show you how to copy the folders you have penetrated to your computer. To end this, you just basically hold the Control and the C, and as you can see, it ended it right here, and it also ended it. It's not listening here. It's lesson number 1 from Psychosis.